Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this personalized e-ink AirTag wallet. It's an air wallet by Loris Joy. It is a trackable wallet with custom electronic photo, text, contact information. It's slim. It comes with an RFID lock. It's a credit card holder with a built-in Find My tracker. That's really cool if you are going to use an Apple device. And on the Apple devices, we have Apple Find My. So we can track this easy peasy by using and pairing it with our Apple device and Find My. We have a lot of colors available on the market: black, army green, blue, macaron pink, purple, pink itself, and orange, and so on. And we have here a unique wallet, a minimalist wallet. It can upload electronic photos, text, contact information, etc. We can change the picture on our wallet according to our preferences or different cloth occasions. We can also use the Apple Find My app to find our wallet. And we can personalize our wallet. We design a 4-color ink screen, gives the wallet the DIY properties. We can upload our favorite content through the Find XEINK app. Really cool and easy, as you can see. And it works. It looks really cool. Oh yeah. And we can, of course, not only upload the photo, of course. Anime, couple avatars, idol, religious symbols, family pets, text, contact information, medical ID, mottos, etc. It's a memorizable, personalized wallet for a dad, mom, for a wife, for a daughter, for a husband, for a boyfriend, for a son, for a grandpa, or other in our life. The photo display effect of the e-ink screen of the customized wallet mainly depends on the picture we upload. We do not provide pictures with complex backgrounds. We should upload high-resolution pictures. If we cannot perform this very well, we use another preferences photo as mine here. It was enough, and you see it looks really brilliant. And of course, we have two-way of search function. The wallet is lost, for example, and we can find the location of the wallet through the Apple's Find My app. And when someone picks it up, the picker can contact us through the contact information retained on the ink screen, so that we can find the e-ink wallet faster and, of course, more accurately. We use the Apple Find My app to sound a tracking siren, for example, and then we can navigate to this wallet and find it easy peasy. The Find My app, we can sound a bell when the Air wallet is in Bluetooth range, or we have our Apple device find us option with us, and when we are out of Bluetooth range, the Apple Find My app will send us an alert within 10 minutes, for example, letting us see the item's latest location on a map through the Apple Finds My app, and of course we can navigate to it and find it again. It's a minimalistic design, and there's enough of space for credit cards, for paper money. There is a clamp included. But little cash is not working with that. It's a minimalist wallet for us. But the big thing is, it is modern. It looks cool. It is an Air wallet. That means we can track it. We are Apple. Find My, and of course we can customize the ink, the electronic ink screen of this device by using the Find XEINK app, which we can download out of the App Store. We will need iOS and above, and then we can use such a really cool stuff. because this here is a personalized electronic ink AirTag wallet. You have all in your pocket what you will need. Need to pay and need to pay attention because we can program it with custom electronic photos, text messages, contact information, and so on. And it comes in a slim finish, and we have an RFID lock. That means another person around us cannot steal our RFID information from our wallet inside, because that is locked. And it's easy, as you can see in that video here. You can download it, the Find X EINK app out of the App Store, and then pair it by Bluetooth, then personalize it as you like. And the second thing is, of course, you can pair it or get it into the Apple network, and then it is an Air Wallet. This operates with two CR2032 cell coins. For the replacement, we have to remove the back plate of this device, and then we can easily remove the cells and replace the cells, so we can continue using that after 1 or 2 years. No problem for it, huh? That's a cool thing, because it is not only one use device. After 1 year you can throw it in the garbage. No, it is a long-term product here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sen.